Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OSCAL C20 PRO and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, even the settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and then enter the settings in this upper panel. Now we have to tap on languages, and this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find your language and tap on it. So let me find maybe the Urdu one. Of course, you can scroll just like I did, or you can enter the search icon and enter the name of the specific language. After finding it, just tap on it and choose the language. And here in this step you can choose the keyboard layout. So just mark the option you'd like to use, untick the option which you don't want to apply, and tap on done. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. So before I'll show you how to remove the previous one, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So let's go back to the keyboard. And now we've got this special icon which is called the globe icon, or the language key, and thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout. Just by tapping on it we can switch between the English and Urdu one. What is more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So if you want to remove the previous language, simply enter the settings just by tapping on this icon here. Enter the languages again, and here in this step simply tap on this edit icon, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And this is how we can set only one language. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.